G&G Industrial Lighting is an American manufacturer of highly engineered LED lighting systems designed to help the world move. Our expertise in LED lighting technology for harsh environments, paired with an in-depth understanding of the requirements exclusive to the transit industry, allows us to provide high-quality, innovative solutions where traditional options often fail. We offer a complete portfolio of LED linear lighting designed specifically for the unique needs of mass transit. G&G's RTX fixture for rail and tunnel is built on durability and lumen density to help your tunnel shine. Our driverless EMI silent technology ensures extreme reliability and low RF emissions. Increase the safety and appearance of your transit station with lighting that mounts seamlessly and discreetly under platforms to illuminate your train's tracks. The plug-and-play low-smoke, zero-halogen cabling system is daisy-chainable for long linear runs of light. Our plug-and-play LED temporary lighting system is designed for rapid deployment to light the way for rail and tunnel maintenance. TLS allows for continuous runs of up to 4,000 feet on a single power feed. Our small-sized, durable, oil-resistant, and easy-to-install lighting systems are designed to excel in the harsh environment of a transit maintenance pit. G&G's TRX fixture puts the light right where you need it to perform essential tasks. Eliminate routine maintenance and increase the efficiency of your transit platforms with our PRX fluorescent retrofit solution. This harsh environment rated LED fixture is designed to quickly retrofit single-pin fluorescent lamps commonly found on subway and train platforms. Guaranteed reliability, simple installation, minimal maintenance, low total cost of ownership. G&G Industrial Lighting, linear light that lasts.